What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break NL. Thanks for joining us, and good luck in this Raz. We have 2 cards, Pecorine, 6 patches. We got limited logos. I don't usually Raz off limited logos, but I'm trying to stick to 2 years only. Limited logos, Nasty Patch, and then we got the Skull Patch from Peerless Patches from Dominion. So 2 beautiful cards going to 1 winner. Ralad, good luck. Top name after 4, 131 here in Newfoundland right now. And there's your list. Brady down to Chris. Good luck, folks. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3 is 131. 131. Last and final top name taking home both cards. Winner is Mr. Chris Miller. Spot number 2 done for you. Congrats on that one. 2 beauty Pecorine cards coming your way. Let's get to your final timestamp. Final timestamp 131. And 131 it is. So congratulations, Chris. In spot number 2, you're taking home both Pecorine cards, limited logo, and Peerless patches going out on the next mail day. Thanks for joining us, guys. We'll see you again later for some more Razzes and Breaks.